Want to see how each art style holds up in the digital era? Join me as I put Stable Diffusion to the test, exploring an array of styles from Impressionism to digital art, Baroque to Biopunk. I am showcasing over 200 unique styles through the lens of advanced technology. Get ready for a journey through art history, one digital masterpiece at a time. I am using Stable Diffusion Automatic 1111 installed on Windows. For the checkpoint, I am using the Realism engine SDXL, which is available for free from Civit AI. After downloading it, you place it in the Models Stable Diffusion folder of your web UI. For this test, I am using the prompt Portrait of a Warrior Woman without any negative prompts. The sampling method is DPM plus 2SA with 30 sampling steps. I aim to create 2K images for this video, so I'm using a size of 1280 by 720 pixels. A fixed seed of 2024 is set to observe the influence of the art style on the final image. Now, I've enabled Hires Fix, but it's important to note that this consumes a lot of video RAM. For upscaling, I use the 4X Ultra Sharp Upscaler. The Denoise strength is set at 0.3 and it's upscaled by 2. However, you can use a lower value like 1.5 if your PC can't handle it. After hitting Generate, you'll see the result of not specifying an art style in the prompt. Each model is different. For this one, I get a photorealistic look. On my PC, generation took 59 seconds. For the test, I will add different art styles to the prompt and generate images. I will test a variety of art styles, some well-known and others less familiar or not typically considered for testing. Here is the name of the art style, which you should add at the end of your prompt. Accompanying it is a short description of what that style represents. Since I have over 200 styles, I'll add some music and speed up the display of all the styles a bit. Feel free to pause the video or take a screenshot of any style you like.
Let the games begin.